Hey everyone, this is Robert, and welcome back to Unlocked English, the slow English podcast that helps you feel, think, and speak in English naturally. And today, it's day 3 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. If you're still here after day 1 and day 2, you're doing something amazing. You're not just learning English, you're living it. In the first 2 days, we focused on building your confidence and describing your daily life. But today, we're going to do something a little different, something that's both fun and very real. Today, you'll learn how to have small talk, how to start conversation, how to keep it going, and how to sound natural when you speak with people in English. So, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's talk together. First, let's answer this question. What is small talk? Small talk is those short, friendly conversations we have every day. It's when you meet someone new, talk to your coworkers, or chat with a friend before class starts. It's not deep conversation. It's light, friendly, easy. Small talk helps us connect with people. It's how we say, I'm friendly. I'm here. I want to talk. And the good news is you don't need big grammar or complicated vocabulary for it. You just need a few natural sentences and the confidence to use them. Let's start with one of the most common ones, greetings. When you meet someone, you can say, Hi, how are you? Hey, what's up? Good morning. How's your day going? Now, what do you say when they ask you that question? You can respond simply, I'm good. Thanks. How about you? Not bad. Just busy today. Pretty good. It's been a nice morning. Notice something? Every answer is positive and open. That's the key to small talk. Even if your day isn't great, you can still keep the energy friendly. Because small talk isn't about sharing everything. It's about connection. Now imagine this. You're at work or maybe at school and you see someone you know. They say, Hey, how's it going? You smile and say, Hey, not bad. How about you? Then what? What comes next? Most learners stop there, silence, because they don't know what to say next. So here's the secret. In small talk, you ask questions back. For example, Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. How about you? Busy day. That small question keeps the conversation alive. It's like throwing a ball. You catch it, you throw it back. That's how small talk works. Let's practice some more. Repeat after me, slowly, naturally, like we're chatting together. Hey, how's your morning so far? Pretty good. I had some coffee and I'm feeling awake. Oh, nice. What kind of coffee do you like? And now you have a conversation. You see, it's not about saying perfect grammar. It's about showing interest. People love when you ask questions because it says, I'm listening. I care. Let's learn some more natural ways to ask about someone's day. You can say, How's your week been? Doing anything fun this weekend? How's work going? How's the weather where you are? Yes, even talking about the weather is small talk, for example. It's so hot today, isn't it? Yeah, I can't believe it. Summer came early this year. Or, it's raining again. Yeah, perfect day for coffee and a movie. These short exchanges are simple, but they build comfort. They teach your mouth how to move naturally in English. Now let's talk about how to extend a small talk conversation. Let's say you ask, How's work going? They say, Pretty good, just busy. You can answer, Yeah, same here. What kind of work do you do? Busy is good though, right? Those short comments keep things flowing. You don't need to plan your sentences. You just need to listen and respond naturally. Let's practice that rhythm together. Hey, how's your day going? Pretty good, just busy. Yeah, I know the feeling. It's been a long week. That small talk, simple, human, friendly. Let's move on to talking about hobbies and free time. This is one of the easiest ways to keep a conversation going. You can ask, what do you like to do in your free time? Do you watch movies? Do you like music? Have you read any good books lately? And if someone asks you that, don't just say one word. Expand your answer. Instead of just saying music, say, I love listening to music. I usually listen to pop or jazz when I'm cooking. Instead of movies, say, yeah, I love movies. I just watched a great one last weekend. This small change makes you sound confident and natural. So when you answer, give one extra detail. That's the golden rule of small talk. Now let's try some mini role plays. Imagine you're meeting a new classmate. Hi, I'm Robert. Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Spain. How about you? I'm from Canada. So, how do you like the class so far? It's good. The teacher's really friendly. That's it. A short, easy conversation. But it's real English and it's how people connect every day. Now, let's make another one, this time at work. Hey, how's it going? Good. Just finishing a project. Oh, cool. What kind of project? It's a marketing thing. You know, a new campaign. Nice. Hope it goes well. Short, natural, friendly. That's all you need. Now I want you to repeat after me. This time, imagine you're really speaking to someone. Hey, long time no see. How have you been? Not bad, just busy. You know how it is. Yeah, same here. Work never stops, right? Perfect. You just had a natural English exchange. Do you see what's happening here? You're not thinking in grammar. You're feeling the conversation. That's how real fluency begins. Now, let's add a little personality. When you make small talk, it's okay to smile, to laugh, to use expressions like, oh, really? That's nice. No way. Wow, me too. These are small but powerful. They show emotion and they make your English sound alive. Let's practice a few together. Really? No way. That's awesome. Oh, I see. I know what you mean. Perfect. These are the spices of small talk. They make your English sound warm and human. Now, some learners ask me, Robert, how do I end a small talk conversation politely? Good question. You can say, anyway, it was nice talking to you. I've got to go, but let's talk again soon. Hope you have a great day. Those are natural, polite, and friendly ways to close a chat. Let's say them together, slowly. Anyway, it was nice talking to you. I've got to go, but let's talk again soon. Have a great day. Perfect. Now, let's do one big speaking challenge together. A full mini conversation from start to finish. Listen, then shadow my voice. Hey, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Not bad, just busy with work. Yeah, same here. What kind of work do you do? I'm a designer. I work on websites. That's cool. I've always wanted to learn design. It's fun, but sometimes stressful. I can imagine. Anyway, it was nice talking to you. Yeah, you too. Have a good day. Perfect. That's a real life English moment. And now you can do it too. Before we finish, let's take a minute to think about what small talk really means. It's not small. It's actually a big step because small talk is confidence in action. It's your first step toward connection, friendship, and fluency. So next time you meet someone, say something, anything. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. Even a simple "how's your day" is better than silence because every word you speak is a bridge between you and another person. Let's finish today's challenge with a few affirmations. Repeat after me. I can start conversations in English. I can keep them going naturally. I don't need perfect grammar to connect. I'm confident when I speak. My English sounds better every day. Perfect. That's the spirit of day 3, confidence, connection, and conversation. You just finished one of the most important parts of real fluency. Tomorrow, in day 4, we'll go a bit deeper. We'll learn how to talk about your feelings and emotions in English. Because real conversations aren't just about words, they're about feelings too. So take a deep breath, smile, and be proud of yourself. You're halfway through the challenge. I'm Robert, and this is Unlocked English, the Slow English podcast. See you tomorrow.